Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, epidemiologist, biostatistician, faculty member. And in this segment, I wanted to go over two resources that are important in terms of conducting analyses. So first of all, I wanted to go over one resource that's known as GitHub, GITHUB. And so what you can do is place a search in Google for GitHub, and then click on this. Either you can log in if you already have an account. More than likely you don't, so you select join. And then you can also explore GitHub. There's actually a search that you can directly go into. I just want you to explore this, not necessarily have to really use anything from here. This is an invaluable resource with multiple data sets that are available for you to utilize. So you can kind of go into join if you don't have an account, and the vast majority of you don't. And this is an interesting sort of place where you can start your place your account and everything, so that you actively have an account. So in the future, if you wanted to access somebody else's data set from research that they have conducted, then you can come to this place and actually search to see if there are any data sets that may be available and that are of interest to you. Some of the techniques, like there's commands like push, pull. You can kind of explore and take a look at what all this powerful website and powerful program is capable of doing. So there's a lot of times events that's going on, a lot of information, great information about programming, such as languages such as Python and all other programming languages. So just take a look and reflect on what you feel like, the organization um, uh, of the website, and what you think about different portions of this. So the next resource that I want to share with you is something that is a powerful analytic software that is especially important to keep in mind. Many of you might have heard of the statistical package SPSS, and that is the premier statistical package that is typically used within universities. However, one of the advantages of looking at alternative packages such as SAS is that number one, this is you don't have to pay anything. Also, some of the techniques that are more challenging in SPSS and not available even are openly available in SAS. R is another statistical package, and so is Data, and pretty much I use all of them. So let's take a look at what are some of the websites that are available. So I already have an account. So my screen goes into sign in, and when I sign in, basically my username and password gets populated. And make sure to select accept. Now, most of you probably don't have an account. So if you don't, then you can kind of go in here for the middle one here. Don't have a SAS profile, and you can go ahead and create this profile, and then once you do, you can actually have your username and password. And once you have the username and password, like I said, you can go in and in multiple ways run this code. All you have to do to run this code, I'm gonna kind of give you one way to go from this place, and then maybe show you an alternative way. So the code that you've been given, all you do is copy that code directly from the course, and then paste it onto the interface that you have in SAS. This is initializing sometimes. This is actually in the cloud, so since this is a shared server, sometimes this takes longer than you would like. So any code here, I'm going to use a sample code that is not what is in your assignment, so that I don't want to do duplicate things that are already in there. So you can take a look at. I have these snippets that I've saved because I use SAS all the time, and here is one of the snippets that I use, and this is one. This is a data set that I no longer have in my collection. This I do. So what I'm going to do is run this code. So take note of this. This is run, and when you do, you see an output. So in the results section, you'll see the output, and then a lot of time here's the output. You can go through this output, and see. Yours is not going to be looking quite like this. Yours is going to yield some one or two boxes, not that many. So the other thing I wanted to show you here is that a lot of people ask, here's the output. Now, how do I open it in every other program or PDF? And the best way, some people look to these icons because this says PDF and upload and download. In this situation, these are not highlighted. And what do you do then? So this says print results. When you go into print results, you'll have this menu that appears. And instead of actually printing this on a printer, see the default is printing, you want to change the destination to save as PDF. And then once you change the destination, you can save this as a PDF, and you'll have this output that you can use in different capacities. So the main thing to remember here is that GitHub and SAS are two totally different things. One is a repository of data sets that are available worldwide, and that's GitHub. And then looking at SAS is a powerful analytic tool that you can use to conduct analyses. And so relative risk, odds ratio, some of the basic measures of association epidemiology are quite simple to run in SAS. So again, what you have to do is make sure you create an account before you do anything, and then go into running the code. I hope this has made some sense. Thank you for listening.